Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today in this video we are going to learn about how to download Exodus wallet application on your mobile device. Before downloading, make sure that you have subscribed to our YouTube channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any videos from us. Now then, make sure that your device is connected to internet and then open Play Store on your device. After opening Play Store, in the search bar type EXODOSDUS space WALLET and press the search button. After that, Play Store will show you results relating to your search. Right besides the result, there will be a green install button which if you press will then start the process of downloading. Then to learn more about this application, there you will see an area where it is written about this app. There you can learn more about this application. You will get more information and features relating to this app. After a while, your application will be successfully installed and then you can use it to its fullest. I hope this tutorial video was helpful for you, and if so, like this video, comment down in the comment box if you have any questions or feedbacks. We will be back soon with more tutorial videos. Till then, bye.